Now, your ABC 7 First Alert weather forecast with meteorologist John Scalzi.
So let's take it hour by hour and go through the remainder of the afternoon. I think we have a little mix of sun and clouds out there right now. Banks of clouds kind of come in. Then we get a little break into the clear and then clouds again. I think as we progress through the afternoon and temperatures start to rise and a little area of low pressure approaches, we'll get a few more scattered showers around. Nothing really heavy, nothing really big, but it's possible that we could see a thunderstorm or two develop. By around 7, 8 o'clock, things will start to wind down, and then overnight tonight, I think it'll be just a partly cloudy sky. When you wake up tomorrow morning, there'll probably be a few scattered showers around by around drive time in the morning. Some of those showers coming in from the other coast, but basically the overnight will be okay. There's also potential of some fog around tomorrow morning as well, so we'll watch for that. If that fog does materialize, we'll have to call it a first alert weather morning tomorrow. Then as we head into Wednesday evening, more showers in the evening, and then everything kind of quiets out and clears out, and we're left with a pretty nice Thursday, I think. As far as our forecast for today goes, don't expect heavy downpours of rain. There'll be more like intermittent drizzle, the kind of intermittent windshield wiper kind of thing, maybe a scattered shower. That's about it. We have one little area of disturbed weather right there. There it is, coming up from the south, coming up to the north, and that's going to give us that chance of rainfall. Rain chance, 20-30%. That's about it. But nevertheless, that can kind of mess you up if you don't want to drive in any kind of showery activity, and that'll probably be coming through areas around Northport, Port Charlotte, and Inglewood in about 2 hours or so, and then lift further to the north, mostly affecting in inland areas, but an isolated coastal shower certainly too not out of the question. Again, all of that should clear out by the overnight, so we'll put the rain chance at 3 at about 30%. And then as we head into the evening hours, start to reduce it. By the time we get to 9, we'll take it out of the picture and just give us a partly to mostly cloudy sky during the overnight. Temperatures stay mild throughout the period, coming in the mid-70s, so that's pretty toasty, I guess. Current conditions out there, 70 degrees with a dew point value of 65. My goodness, how the dew point values have changed over the course of just 2 days. We went from dew point values that were in the 30s to dew point values that are in the mid-60s. So it feels almost like it's starting to get a little bit humid out there. And that'll become important as we head into tomorrow morning with the potential of some fog around. Temperatures across most of north central Florida and North Florida are coming in near the 70-degree mark, and certainly we've already cracked that in the southern half of the state with local temperatures pretty close to the mid-70s already in inland areas. Fair amount of cloud cover, but there are breaks in the clouds too as this area of low pressure rotates and starts to fall apart as it sinks further to the south. As it falls apart, that's going to allow us for one pretty nice day this work week. Southeast wind comes in at about 10, then switches to the northeast this evening at about 5, gives you a light chop on bay and inland waters. So today, fair amount of cloud cover, 30% chance of rain. Tomorrow, chance of rain during drive time in the morning and at night as well, but then we start to clear out. Thursday looks to be a beautiful day with lots of sunshine and a high of 78, warm, mild. And then on Friday, that could be a first alert weather day as a frontal boundary comes through late in the day with a good chance of showers and cools us off for the weekend.